Hi, how's everybody doing today? Thanks for watching. This is George at Wicked Warnings, highlighting a 2018 Toyota 4Runner. We did a very simple installation on this for a construction company here in Chicago. We've used our LED HAW duos in the front and the back. In the front, we've used the mounting flange in black to mount them right above the factory fog lights. And in the rear, we were able to go in the reverse. Right here you can see how we've mounted it. We oriented the screws vertically, and that panel is blank. You can reach right around behind the headlight to get the wiring. It's very simple, fairly easy install. You can do this with any color LED HAW. You could also mount a TIR3 in that location vertically, or as well as a linear 6 would fit if you prefer those light heads. Around the back, we chose to go with our high dome version of the LED HAW. Reason being is this is a dual wall lens in the back, meaning it has 2 layers, and the high dome does reach inside enough to give you a decent flash. It also reflects quite nicely off of the outer edge of the lens. You can see here definitely an adequate white flash for the back end of this. I have pictures available for how that was mounted, and we are going to make this into a kit, so please check the links to the descriptions. If you need some safety lights, hit Wicked Warnings up. Check out our feeds on social media. Make sure you look at our LED HAW Duo as the product of choice on this particular build. Thanks again for watching Wicked Warnings.